we'll be making fajita mix. So to do that, you need a handful of spices and a jar, as well as your measuring spoons. To make fajita mix, you'll need chili powder, cumin, cayenne, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and sugar. To start, we'll be grabbing our chili powder, and we need 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon worth of chili powder. Two teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. I'm just going to be using a half teaspoon simply because the jar is a little bit small, but we're still going to be adding up to 2 teaspoons, so 4 little scoops of these. You can also use sweet paprika if that's what you have on hand, or if that's what you prefer. Next is 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. One teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, then we need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Now the only thing left to do for your fajita mix is to grab your lid, screw it on tightly, and give it a shake. And there you go.
So this is a great spice mix. When we cook, we use about 2 tablespoons for ourselves. I recommend you adjust to your own personal liking. This goes great for rice dishes or on tortillas or any other creative way you can think of using it. The possibilities are endless with a seasoning like this.
Cheers to good food and good company.